Yasmin Seeth joining us. I'll just quickly tell about her to all of you and why we invited her to be the chief guest of today's Women's Day, while every day is a Women's Day. She has a very erudite career. She has two kids whom she has raised almost single-handedly. Both of them are doing fabulously well in Southern India Bollywood, Southern movies. So she was a mom manager for them for many years. She then became a life coach. She's the author of two books, and she's refusing to retire because retiring is no word for her. Hi,
Sure,
Yasmin
sure,
ma'am,
sure.
how are you? Yes.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good
Hi.
evening.
Hi.
Good evening.
Hi.
Hi.
Good evening. Good evening.
It's so good to see you. I'm seeing you after almost few months now,
Yes,
but you're ever as lovely and bright as ever. So good
thank
to
you
see
so
you.
much.
So
Thank
good to see you. Great. So this is the Powerhouse Women Community, Yasmin ma'am. This is the Sukoon family. But I'm very proud of all of the women in this forum. And I was telling them before you joined us that it's been an honor to bring you and have you here to talk about just following your dreams and following your own purpose and not believing in the physical age. So we are all yours. We are all here to just
thank
learn
you so
from
much.
you.
So, not exactly bragging about myself or trying to show off what I have been doing, but I would just um, like to tell you a little bit about myself, so that you know what kind of a life that I'm leading and what I want to make out of my life. Because half the time we try to think about things and we have excuses. We have excuses and we also have reasons not to be doing something. I had uh, lovely 29 years where I didn't have any pressure in my life. I literally led a life of a princess.
Mhm.
I was 29, I took up my first job. And I was 3 years later, I started a business of my own. I started a supermarket in Bangalore. I started one supermarket and I made four supermarkets out of it.
Wow.
And I call myself a graduate from the school of life. लाइफ अगर धक्का नहीं मारती तो कभी मेरी गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं होती क्योंकि we are so much in our comfort zone. We're always thinking कि कोई आके कर देगा, कोई आके कर देगा. But that doesn't really happen unless you take over the charge. And at the right time, if you take it, it's the best. So after having four stores, at some point, I realized the retail was growing vastly and it requires a lot of energy, money, everything. And also I thought, I'm a learner. I love working with teams. So I said, ये अकेले बैठ के 4 स्टोर चलाना मजा नहीं देता है, इसको बंद करो अभी. Sold my running business. Everybody said, how can you do such a mad thing? I think I did the right thing. I joined corporate. I worked in the corporate as a process analyst because वहां पे काफी नॉलेज थी मगर मुझे हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस था सुपरमार्केट चलाने का. तो आई I worked with the corporate. At some point, my children felt, बस अभी आपने बहुत कर लिया, आप घर बैठो. लेकिन एक बार इंसान बिजी हो जाता है, फिर उसको वापस सुकून में नहीं ला सकते कोई. You need to be on your feet. So I then started managing my children's career. काफी दिनों तक कोई समझे नहीं मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. आज भी कोई पूछते हैं तो बोलते हैं अच्छा, because nobody understood what I was doing. I was building their business. I was building a brand out of them in the entertainment industry. I was super busy. इसके बीच में किसी ने पूछा एक ऐड कर दोगे. मुझे लगा क्या कर रहे हैं मेरे बच्चे, मैं भी तो थोड़ा करके देखूं. तो मैंने थोड़े एड्स कर लिए. फिर एक वेब सीरीज आया, वेब सीरीज भी कर ली. अब फिर वापस काम भी चालू था. अब ये करते करते फिर सोचा कि अब क्या करें. तो बहुत हो गया. फिर सोचा अभी थोड़ा बच्चों को भी सीखने का मौका दें. वो अकेले अभी काम करेंगे, अपना अपना खुद काम संभालेंगे, अपना घर गृहस्थी संभालेंगे, तो आगे चल के मुझ जैसे होंगे. नहीं तो फिर उनको सारी जिंदगी मैं हेल्प करती रहूंगी तो कब तक करूंगी. कल को मैं चली गई तो फिर वो लोग they won't be able to manage. So that's when I took 2 steps back. 1 from their work, 2 from their life. From their life मतलब from the personal life. घर, मैंने कहा मैंने ट्रेन कर दिया है, अब आप उनको रख के घर चलाओ. तो I had enough staff arranged for them, ड्राइवर से लेके सब कुछ. So you have to start reporting not to me, to them from now onwards. They also felt very difficult because it was easy to work with me because I would understand their problems. But when they started reporting to the younger bosses, they also found it very difficult because आज छुट्टी चाहिए. क्यों छुट्टी चाहिए आज जाना है, यहाँ जाना है, वहां जाना है. But when they would tell me, I would say, ठीक है, जाओ. Because everybody needs to have a life. You can't be doing the same thing. Your work can't be your life can't be your work. So now when I quit, now again, सुकून कहाँ से लाए? So I had to start working on a new journey. So I became an author for Manan, Delving Deeper into Oneself. It's a book about women. तो मैं जब आई तो I think Shalini was saying about when we think of our travel, how much we learned, what we had actually learned, we didn't realize then, we realize now. That is what I call it Manan. Take each part of your life in short, in small sections. Look at it closely like an outsider. जैसे कभी आपको ये रिंग बेचनी है तो आप सुनार को देते हो, उसको मालूम है सोना है मगर खरीदेगा नहीं ऐसे. तो उसको देखेगा, परखेगा, तभी उसको पता चलता है ये कितना खरा है. तो इसी तरह अगर आप भी अपनी जिंदगी को देखेंगे, you will understand what life has taught you. Because all our lessons are hidden in our life. We don't pay attention to it then, because then you are also young. 20 साल पहले आपको जो समझ थी उससे ज्यादा आज है. 20 साल जो पहले जो आप नहीं हैंडल कर पाए, आज हैंडल कर सकते हो. क्योंकि लाइफ इज गोइंग टू टीच यू ऑन एवरी स्टेप. So that is what my book talks about, Manan. And there are 9 amazing women who have contributed to the book. I have documented their stories. So then now again, I wanted to see life closer. अब ऐसे क्लोजर लाइफ देखने के लिए जाएंगे तो कौन दिखाएगा? अगर मैं बोलूं मैं आपके घर आके आपकी जिंदगी देखना चाहूं, आप मुझे अलाउ नहीं करोगे. अगर मैं एक दोस्त के साथ आऊं तो अब आपको कंफर्ट जोन आ जाएगा, तो आप दरवाजा खोल के आप मुझे इनवाइट करोगे दिल खोल के, क्योंकि मैं आपके दोस्त के साथ आई हूं. तो इसीलिए मैंने बंजारा ज्वाइन किया। बंजारा एकेडमी है बैंगलोर में, वहां ज्वाइन किया। वहां ज्वाइन करके I got myself trained to be a counselor. I did a diploma in counseling. I have been uh, counseling and helping a lot of people because I worked with a lot of youngsters in my 27 years of retail journey. I worked with a lot of younger people, but I got some tools from there so that I can even better understand, even better listen to people. तो उस टाइम पे मुझे सबसे बड़ा जो फायदा हुआ बंजारा में जाने का वो था कि I was given more than 35 addresses of NGOs where I could visit. And I had the badge of Banjara. So I walked in with pride as a Banjarite to volunteer with them. So I volunteered with many NGOs, looked into many different issues of life, जहाँ पे women abuse होता है, or people with disability, with autism, Alzheimer and dementia, then your so many things. So I got an access pass. I got a free access pass. Banjara was my friend, which took me to every NGO. I could freely walk in and I could do my volunteering with them, internship with them, and I could learn, know life better, closer, so that tomorrow when somebody comes to me, I know what their issues are. And that didn't stop there. Out of everything that I went through, the closest thing that touched my heart was geriatrics. Geriatrics is about seniors who are above 65. Anybody who's above 65 goes into a geriatric department of a hospital. Just like the pediatric, the smaller children go for pediatrics, geriatric go to the, is for seniors, because their medication becomes, the strength of the medication has to be lowered down. You can't give the same dosage as a young adult or an adult to a senior. So that got very close to me. And from there, I started working with the seniors. I worked with the hospitals, and I work with a lot of communities as well. And now I have something called Sunset Finishing School, where I part with life lessons for seniors, not saying that they don't know, they know, but forgotten. It's just वो बोलते हैं ना, जोर का धक्का धीरे से लगे तो याद आता है, हाँ ये तो मैंने किया था पहले, ये किया है मैंने, ये सिचुएशन से आया है पहले. बिकॉज वी हैव लॉट ऑफ कंडीशनिंग सोसाइटी में कि औरतों को इसी तरह होना चाहिए, यही करना चाहिए, वही करना चाहिए. बट आज की दौर में ऐसे थोड़ी चलता है. आज तो सब कुछ बदल गया है. आज हमने खुद अपने बच्चों को, we have given them the wind beneath their wings, कि वो उड़ान भरे. और जब वो उड़ रहे हैं तो हम उनको ऐसे देखेंगे, ना कि उनको वापस पकड़ के पिंजरे में डालेंगे. हम तो बहुत रह लिए पिंजरे में. रह रह के इतना कर लिया, उनको तो हम नहीं डालेंगे वापस. तो वी हैव टू अलाउ देम टू फ्लाई हाई. So if we have to allow them to fly high, then we have to learn to do things ourselves. बहुत सारी चीजें. बहुत सारी लेडीज क्या करती हैं, 50 होते ही दे थिंक नाउ आई एम ओल्ड. ये जरा फोन में थोड़ा पेटीएम कर दो, मुझे ये कर दो, मुझे ये वो. ठीक है, सीख लो. एक दिन बैठ के सीख लो, 2 दिन बैठ के सीख लो, मगर कभी तो करना चालू कर दो. बच्चों के ऊपर इतना डिपेंड नहीं करना चाहिए. वो सब एक पुरानी बात है. कहते हैं कि हमने किया, अब उनका टाइम है, वो करेंगे हमारे लिए. नहीं, दैट इज इट इज नॉट ट्रांजैक्शनल. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने पैसे दिए और उन्होंने, दुकानदार को पैसे दिए, उन्होंने सामान दिया. हम ये ट्रेड नहीं करेंगे बच्चों के साथ कि हमने किया अब आपको करना है. नहीं, हमने किया, हम उनको देख रहे हैं अभी, वो अच्छा कर रहे हैं जिंदगी में, उनको छूट दो. कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, वापस आएंगे. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, जब कोई बोलता है तो हमने देखा है, जो भेड़ बकरी चराते हैं, वो ले जाते हैं उनको, फिर शाम को विदाउट एनी गाइडेंस, एक हाथ छूट भी जाता है पीछे, वो धीरे धीरे करके वो आता है शेड में वापस. वो कहीं नहीं जाएगा, वो वापस आएगा. तो इसलिए ज्यादा पकड़ो मत. जितना जोर से पकड़ोगे उतना हाथों से फिसलता जाएगा. ढील दो, छोड़ो, कहीं नहीं जाने वाले हैं. उनकी परवरिश आपने की है तो वो आप ही के रहेंगे हमेशा. So that was my time, and I hope you enjoyed everything that I said. It's true, and I don't sit even now. This morning I was out. I went to Bangalore for an event. I came back. I'm with you. Once I finish this, again I'm running for another event.
You are,
So-
like I said, you're an inspiration, Yasmin ma'am. The amount of things you can pack in a day and have it is an inspiration.
नहीं, क्योंकि देखो, आज हम बैठ के सोचते हैं तो सोचते हैं कितने साल निकल गए, कितने साल निकल गए. ये साल कैसे निकले किसी को पता नहीं है. मेरी मम्मी हमेशा बोलती थी कि बच्चे पलक झपकते ही बड़े हो जाते हैं. उस टाइम पे ये बात समझ नहीं आती थी, क्योंकि we were young, we wouldn't understand this thing. But today when you see your children as adults, you realize ये टाइम कितना जल्दी चला गया. बहुत जल्दी चला गया टाइम. ऐसे लगता है, अभी अभी लगता है कल तो हाथ में लेके बैठे थे, आज इतने बड़े हो गए बच्चे. वही चीज, मतलब वो इतना आसान तरीका था बोलने का कि पलक झपकते ही बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे. समझ नहीं आता था, अब अभी समझ आता है ना. तो अभी हमारे पास कितना टाइम है. We are 60. How much time we have? 20, 30. We can't be sitting in a waiting room. We have to keep ourselves very active, very active, very active, so that you keep doing things. Life will happen by itself. You never did anything before. You don't have to do anything now. कुछ ना कुछ करते रहो. किसी एनजीओ का साथ दो. अगर कुछ नहीं है, आजू बाजू के 2 बच्चों को बुला के पढ़ा दो. थोड़ा सा ऊन लेके आओ, टोपियां बना दो. साल में एक बार लेके जाके कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में कीमोथेरेपी पेशेंट्स को दे दो. There is another thing that I came across recently. They're making कैंसर पेशेंट्स के लिए दे मेकिंग प्रोस्टेट ब्रेस्ट इसमें क्रोशे और उलन में स्टिंग और क्रोशे में बना रहे हैं. It's not wool, but it's thread. They will prescribe you from where to get, what to do. And you make those beanies and bonnets for infant cancer survivors.
Things that she has told and
Yeah. So
technologically
what you're
not to
doing,
be independent. Yeah.
बच्चों को जो योगा सिखा रहे हैं वही वॉलंटियरिंग है आपकी.
Yes,
क्योंकि बच्चे
What-
जब योगा सीखेंगे उनका दिमाग काम रहेगा,
Exactly.
वो अच्छे से सोच पाएंगे.
exactly.
Very
So
good.
actually, no. So I did a teachers training course initially from Krishnamachari Yogamandram, Chennai. After
Okay.
that, I did kids yoga, Bihar school yoga ke kafi courses I have done. Therapy for hypertension and for diabetes and many other things like that. So mudra ke bare mein, and so in fact when I was looking at Sukoon Committee, I thought it's such a beautiful platform. Maybe I can make use of some of my learnings for this community. The more I heard so many of the things that you have done, I I mean, I just resonate with all those things that you have been telling. Geriatrics, trying to volunteer, that's an amazing thing.
Yeah,
because
for seniors, you
seniors,
can take
yeah.
yoga. Because see, for
Correct.
seniors, uh, with time, you keep learning. I got to know with the statistics that they have, most of the seniors, they pass away during the months of December.
Okay.
The reason being, it is very cold at that time.
Mm-hmm.
And most of them pass away because of the respiratory issues.
Right.
So if they can be taught how to breathe, their lungs can become stronger.
Right.
Healthy lungs will allow them to breathe. It won't give away when they actually have to.
Right.
That will be a good thing for you to start
Yes.
off. You're doing with children, you can do with some seniors as well.
Right. Yeah.
जैसे मैं सीनियर्स को एक चीज और बोलती हूँ, मैं उनको बलून देती हूँ फुलाने के लिए ना, कि आपके आसपास या आपके पोते पोती या जो भी है या आसपास जो भी बच्चे, एक बलून फुला के उनको रोज देना है आपको, तो लंग्स एक्सरसाइज हो जाती है
Lung
उनकी ना.
exercise with them.
हाँ हाँ.
No, but then again, that is breathe out. They
Breathe
also
out.
need
हाँ
to breathe.
हाँ.
So,
हाँ.
see, in yoga, when you're doing the breathing technique, you literally, when first you just feel like क्या कर रहे हैं बैठ के. You just get tired or you just get irritated with it. But when you start actually understanding, when you breathe, you can actually connect your breath to your toe. सही बोल रही हूँ पद्मा?
Yes.
सही बोल
Yes.
रहे
Yes.
हैं ना?
Mine.
हाँ.
Right.
जब breathe करते हैं, you can feel your breath in your toe. To get there, it takes some time.
Yeah.
Because it's a deep breath, holding the breath for some time.
उसी को
And
बोलते हैं ना कुंभक
releasing-
लगाना कि हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Breathing for 6 and out for 6. Out for 6 क्या होता है? एक बार breathe कर ले, निकल जाता है पूरा.
हाँ.
धीरे 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 6 नंबर तक उसको करना है.
Right.
So that is going to be very.
One thing, yeah, I mean, as my own experience, which I would like to share is yoga, and this I've already been in that. I did learn the Sudarshan Kriya in Art of Living course.
Yes.
And then non-stop, like the consistently I've been doing for 6 months, like and I had slight blood pressure, and they had just given one minimal thing. Somehow I was determined that with yoga and this, I have to get rid of the thing. I mean, normally they said you have to taper and then stop, you cannot just stop. But then now I have stopped for 2-3 months, and it is definitely between that 114-90, that bracket of systolic diastolic thing.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Because
keep
what
monitoring every
happens
day.
is when you're breathing, a lot of oxygen is going in. So that also heals you.
Right.
That also heals you, because otherwise you're not going to just breathe like that, no?
Right.
The more you breathe, the more oxygen is
More
entering
breathing,
your
yes.
thing. कई लोगों को ये होता है ना कि the older people, when they are always sitting, you'll see that their feet are blue. With breathing, that will also go away.
Okay. I'm going to ask one more woman to share their goal for this year, inspired by today. And then I know we are close to the closing time, so I'll respect everyone's time. Anyone wants to volunteer, or should I start picking?
Me. I
Should
would
I
like
share?
to.
Please go ahead.
Me?
Hanji Rosie.
Shalini? Who's
Shall
it?
I go? Rosie?
Hanji.
Rosie?
Rosie.
Yes, tell him.
Yeah, hi. I've actually, in fact, just joined a group, Dobara Group NGO recently. This is Madam Matin Ansari ka hai. She's also, I think, connected to like geriatric and all that. And in fact, tomorrow or Monday, I'm going to volunteer for, this eyesight people who are children who are blind. They are giving exams, intermediate exams. So I've volunteered to go on Monday, and they keep giving the answers, and I'm going to write it down for them. So this is just started. I'm going to just do it on Monday or Tuesday.
Good, good. That there are endless opportunities.
Endless, exactly.
Endless
Exactly.
opportunities. And
Exactly.
right now, we are at a space where we don't
Yeah.
tire ourselves
Yeah,
too
exactly.
much and not be able to do anything.
Exactly.
Go slow and
Yes.
steady and keep yourself busy and do it. Yes,
Yes.
Shakti.
Sorry, ma'am, I would like to excuse myself. I have a call coming up from a senior.
Ah.
Sorry. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for everything.
Most welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I share?
Yes.
Please
I'm
go ahead.
Hasina.
Yes, Hasina.
Yeah, I have, I have been listening to this talk, the one thing that I can't get down to doing is to have my meals at dinner at 7 or 7:30.
Okay.
Sorry, it goes up to 9 o'clock, 9:30, because one person in the family comes, the other one doesn't come, wait for them, this happens, that. It never happens according to my timings. And I just want to discipline myself on that. And I've decided that after today's talk, I'm 100% going to discipline myself.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It is only about saying in words clearly what you want. You are
Yes.
going to say that I would like to have my dinner every day at this time. Nobody is going to have a problem. Because also what happens when you eat early and you give that 2 hours between after your dinner before you sleep, your food will start the process of digestion.
Right.
You sleep better.
Okay.
Otherwise, you are sleeping, but your machine is working from inside. So you're not at rest.
Right. Right. Okay.
So when your digestion part is over, you sleep, then your entire machine is at
Rest.
the resting state.
Yeah. But actually it is, I don't blame everybody around. I'm blaming everybody around but I am not disciplined. I tell myself, I don't want to eat alone. Let everybody come. Gapata marte marte baat khana khayenge.
नहीं वो आपका वो नहीं है. This has been from the old times. Like my mother, she's 83. She will say, आने तो सबको साथ में बैठ के खाते, क्योंकि उनको साथ में बैठ के खाने का शौक है.
Same here.
So now we say no, you have to eat. So afternoon में 1:30 को उनको lunch, कोई आए नहीं आए उनको lunch करा देते हैं. फिर 7:38 के बीच में she finishes her dinner also. You come and sit. When everybody is eating, you just accompany them on the table.
Is there. Yeah. Correct.
And water also, try and take a little before.
Okay.
Last minute, just before going to sleep, don't take a glass of water. It will disturb you from your sleep because you'll have to go to the loo.
Right. Right.
तो थोड़ा पानी भी जल्दी पीने से
Hmm.
everything will settle. You'll
Right.
digest, you'll finish your loo, everything, and then you get into tuck yourself into the bed.
Yeah.
You sleep aram se then.
Hmm.
I'm going to be determined on doing this.
Good.
Inshallah. Inshallah. And I will get to know about your discipline from Vibha.
Okay.
Done. Great, great. Thank you so much, Yasmin ma'am. I can't tell you how heartfelt and how warm this conversation felt.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless everyone.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you very
you.
much.
Thank you.
God bless you too.
Great learning. Great learning. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yasmin ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Vibha.
Vibha ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good evening, everyone.
Thank
Happy
you.
Women's Day to everyone again.
Yeah. Happy Women's Day. That's the most
Celebrate.
important.
Yeah.
Yes.
Happy Women's Day.
Thank you.
Yeah.